We all know the story of Socrates, a philosopher so committed to his principles that he accepted his death sentence and drank poison. But what happened when his student's student, the great Aristotle, was faced with the exact same charge? He did something completely different. For years, Aristotle was the most respected mind in Athens. His school, the Lyceum, was the center of the world for biology, logic, and politics. He was on top of the world. But he had one very dangerous connection. Aristotle had been the personal tutor to Alexander the Great, the Macedonian king who had conquered Athens. The Athenians hated their Macedonian rulers. Then, in 323 BC, Alexander suddenly died. The anti-Macedonian party in Athens seized control. Their first target? Alexander's old teacher. A politician accused Aristotle of impiety, not respecting the gods. It was a fake charge. It was the exact same charge used to execute Socrates decades earlier. Aristotle knew this was a political trial. He wouldn't get a fair hearing. He had a choice. Should he be like Socrates, stay and die a martyr for philosophy? Aristotle looked at the situation. He remembered Socrates, and he made his decision. Aristotle fled Athens immediately. He escaped to his mother's old estate in Chalcis. When his friends criticized him for running away, for not being brave like Socrates, he gave one of the most famous responses in history. He said, "I will not allow the Athenians to sin twice against philosophy." By escaping, he lived long enough to complete his essential works, the very books that would build the foundation of Western logic, science, and ethics for the next 2,000 years. Sometimes the wisest move isn't to die for a cause, it's to live for one. So, what do you think? Did Aristotle make the right call, or was Socrates the true hero for staying? And if you want more stories like this, be sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.